Here's a little story for you. This car right here belonged to Mr. Gary Bockman. He was a patriarch at PIR, Portland International Raceway, and the Pacific Northwest, and all around SCCA, Midwest to the Pacific Northwest. And raced for many a years. He devoted 30 plus years to Portland International Raceway, helping take care of it. He helped save it. This was his one of his favorite race cars that he drove. It's a Mazda, early 70s. I don't remember if it's a 73, 72 Mazda RX-3, and which is a pretty cool little car. Well, recently my mom's golf cart broke down. My mom and her boyfriend are still very active at the racetrack, as they were with Gary when Gary was here. Unfortunately, he passed away in January of 2021. In 2020, he was diagnosed with this rare, very aggressive, mean cancer that ended up taking his life. And like my mom does, she volunteered her time and helped out and for her friend, and took care of him, while he was on hospice. Well, mom needed a golf cart, and she bought this little golf cart. It was a pile of junk, and it didn't work, and I had to fix a bunch of things on it, and then it still wouldn't work. And then one day, sitting there staring at it, scratching my brain, trying to figure out what I was going to do with this dang golf cart, it occurred to me that one of my favorite things to do in life is to remember the ones that we've lost. And the reason I do that is because one time I was at a car show with my brother's pickup, and an old man walked up to me, and he read the story of my brother, and then he came over and looked at me, and he said, people die twice in life. And I said, no, I didn't know. What do you mean? And he said, well, the first time they die is when they physically die, and they're no longer here on earth. The second time they die is when people stop talking about them. So that has always resonated with me, So one day it just popped in my head, I got to make mom's golf cart look like Gary's race car. And that's what I did. So here it is. That's on the steering wheel, epoxied into the steering wheel. We got the SCCA stickers. Janice from SCCA was very kind in membership to help me out with some membership stickers. I'm still missing an emblem on this side. It's drying right now. Mom's supposed to be coming here to get it here in a little bit. She has no idea. So the rest of it's going to be a little... we got a little surprise video coming up too. And of course up here we got the Bockman and Sons. And then on the hood I did In Loving Memory, Gary Bockman. We got headlights, tail lights, interior dome light, rear view mirrors. We got rocker switches, charger, onboard charger that you can plug in out there. Put the Predator 420 engine in it. 40 series drive pulley, and yeah, everything else is all Hyundai exhaust. Did all the linkage myself, and intake, got all that working, and a bunch of new parts and a bunch of paint. But that's it. So now they get to head to the racetrack and remind everybody what an amazing person Gary Bockman was, and just put smiles on people's faces when they see this car. And so I'm pretty excited about it. Anyways, stay tuned for more.